Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change your Affirm account information. So it's going to be a really quick video. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into it. So first step is to go to the Affirm website and sign into your account with your login credentials. Once you're signed into your account, you want to click on account settings, and you want to select the information that you want to change from the available options. Now you're going to enter the new information. That could be, your password, it could be a phone number or whatever. Just enter the new information and review the changes, and then you're going to confirm the change and save the updates. And you can review your updated account information to make sure that updated successfully, and you can verify that the changes are accurate. Next, you're just gonna sign out of your accounts, and you're done. So yeah, you can also consider updating your account security settings to ensure that your account remains 100% secure. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to change your Affirm account information. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.